watching Gotcha Racing TV. Yeah!
Legendary around the world, yet experienced by very few until now. For nearly 4 decades, the letters GTR have represented the highest levels of technology and driving pleasure, creating a devout following even among those who have only experienced it through magazines and video games. As promised, GTR is coming to the US. 21st century multi-performance supercar, the ultimate physical expression of Nissan's passion for performance. We are bringing GTR to the US not because we have to, not because it fills an empty niche, but because we know there are customers, real enthusiasts, with a passion for a Nissan supercar that is perfectly in sync with our desire to demonstrate our best efforts in technology, innovation, and performance. By now, news of GTR's performance credentials have made their way around the world. I would like to remind you just a few. Hand-built 6-cylinder twin-turbo VR38 engine generating 480 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. An all-new dual-clutch transmission that shifts at race car speed. An electronically controlled all-wheel drive system featuring a unique independent transaxle for matchless handling, and a multi-function instrument panel display that allows you to confirm your real-time driving performance using the onboard driving recorder to improve your driving technique. GTR can accelerate from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds and back to 0 in less than 120 feet. Top speed is more than 190 miles per hour. At the Nürburgring, one of the world's most challenging and respected racing circuits, a near-production GTR set a lap time of 7 minutes 38 seconds, faster than many purpose-built competition machines. Yet GTR is not a delicate thoroughbred or weekends-only plaything. It's a driver, that rare supercar that is equally composed and equally capable on any road and any climate, snow, rain, or Southern California sunshine. GTR is accessible. You do not have to be a professional driver to experience GTR's potential. It's a car to be experienced by anyone, anywhere, anytime. The Nissan GTR will be available here in the United States beginning in June, starting at the price of $69,850. This is an exceptional performance per dollar equation, and we expect GTR to find a very receptive audience. GTR will be offered through Nissan dealers that meet stringent certification standards. A pre-order program will be available beginning in January. GTR is our act of passion, bringing previously unobtainable levels of technology and performance to a new global audience. An affordable, everyday supercar. A vehicle like the GTR could only be created using both our heads and our hearts. That is what we do. You can expect the best from Nissan. Thank you.
Please allow photographers a few minutes to get their pictures with Mr. Gunn before coming on stage.